You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Mexican state. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary names, useful vocabulary that you can use in Mexico and famous places, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Spanish pronunciation, local pronunciation in Mexico. Quintana, so it's not Quintana, it's Quintana. Q-U here is like a K. Quintana Roo. It's not Roo, so it's not Quintana Roo. In English, the pronunciation would be as Quintana Roo. Quintana Roo. From Spanish pronunciation, Quintana Roo. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.